Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Slack account. So go ahead and open up your browser and simple type in Slack, guys. You can even type in slack.com and head over to the official website of Slack. Now, here you can see that you can get started, right? And if you want to know the plans that are currently offered by Slack, you can go to pricing. And as you can see, you can get started for free. So you don't have to worry, you can start using it. However, at any point in time you want to upgrade to the Pro, Business, or even Enterprise, then you can start comparing the plans to see what you get with each. Even before you can start checking it out to see what it entails. So in order to create a Slack account, let's go up to the home page. It's very easy. Simply click on Get Started right here. And from here, it is super easy to start. You can start with, for example, your Google account or Apple. In this case, I'm going to choose Google right here. Select my email address right here. Click and continue. And as you can see right here, it's going to ask me to create a workspace. So I'm going to create one right here. Then I'm going to give this a name. So it says, what's the name of your company or team? I'm going to call this one Drew Tutorial, right? Then I'm going to click on next. And then it's going to say, what's your name? I'm going to say Andrew. And I'm going to leave the picture here, which is optional. It's pulling directly from my Google account. I can work with that. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And also remember that you can always change this at a later time. So click next right here. Then it's going to say if you want to add in a coworker or someone. For the time being, I'm going to just leave it as is. And I'm going to skip this step. If you look to the lower right, you will see that you can skip this step. I'm going to skip that. Then click on skip step. Then it says, what department are you in? Let me go ahead and have a look. In this case, I'm going to choose, let's say IT, and I'm going to click on next. Then from here, it says, what can Slack help you to do? And I'm going to just choose the option to collaborate across teams and click on next. And as you can see right here, they're advertising the Slack Pro, of course, but you don't have to get into that right now. You can just click the option where it says start with the limited free version and click on that button there. And right here, we're in Slack. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys, to create a Slack account. Very easy and very simple.